Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to connect your headphones with your phone using a cable. It doesn't have to be necessarily a phone. It can be laptop, it can be everything. You'll need to just use USB Type-C cable or just cable that fits both into your device and your headphones. I think that it can't be Lightning, for example, or USB Type A to Type C because it will only charge your headphones. So let's start. The first part of this cable you need to plug into the charging port, and the second part of it into your phone. Like this. And now we should see Accessory connected. I don't know why we don't see this. Something is wrong with my Samsung phone. So let me quickly plug it into my iPhone. Backup device. Here we can see that we've got our wired headphones. Redmi Headphones Neo. That's it. Goodbye.